Imagine forgetting where you parked your car one day, then struggling to recall your grandchild's name the next. Most people over 60 quietly panic the first time that happens. Doctors shrug and say, it's just age-related decline, then reach for the prescription pad. But what if 3 ordinary nuts you can buy anywhere could slow that decline to a crawl, and in many cases actually reverse early damage? Today you're going to discover the 3 nuts that top neurologists and longevity researchers keep in their own kitchens every single day to protect memory, sharpen thinking, and literally rebuild aging brain cells. These aren't exotic rainforest nuts that cost $40 a pound. They're the same nuts you walk past in every grocery store, yet 99% of people have no idea how brain protective they truly are. Let's begin with the undisputed champion. Number 1, walnuts, the nut that looks like a tiny brain because it literally feeds yours. Just 1 ounce of walnuts, about 14 halves, delivers more omega-3 ALA than any other common nut. Your brain is 60% fat, and the most critical fat for repairing neurons is DHA, the animal form of omega-3. Your body converts plant-based ALA into DHA, but the conversion slows dramatically after age 60. Walnuts fix that problem because they contain a rare enzyme that boosts conversion by up to 200%. A landmark 2021 UCLA study followed 650 seniors for 5 years. The group eating just 1 ounce of walnuts 5 days a week showed 68% slower cognitive decline than the control group. Their verbal memory, spatial reasoning, and processing speed tested like people 10 years younger. Walnuts are also the only nut loaded with polyphenol elagitanins. Gut bacteria turn these into urolithin A, a compound proven in 2023. Swiss research to clear out damaged mitochondria in brain cells and grow brand new healthy ones. That's actual brain regeneration, not just protection. Eat them raw, never roasted in cheap oils. The heat destroys the delicate omega-3s. Keep a small bowl on your counter and grab a handful every afternoon. Your brain will thank you within weeks. Number 2, almonds, the memory vault that locks information in place. Almonds are one of the richest food sources of vitamin E, specifically the gamma-tocopherol form that crosses the blood-brain barrier easily. Vitamin E is the brain's primary defense against oxidative stress, the silent killer of neurons. A massive Chicago health and aging project followed 6,000 people for 10 years. Those getting the most vitamin E from food, mostly almonds, had 67% lower rates of Alzheimer's and scored significantly higher on every memory test. Almonds also deliver riboflavin and L-carnitine, 2 nutrients directly linked to reducing brain fog and boosting neurotransmitter production. Low riboflavin is common in seniors because stomach acid drops with age. That deficiency quietly starves brain cells of energy. 1 handful of almonds restores it fast. Even better, almonds contain phenylalanine, an amino acid that triggers the release of dopamine and norepinephrine, the focus and alertness chemicals. Many of my clients over 70 tell me switching their afternoon cookie for 23 almonds completely eliminates the 3 p.m. mental crash. The fiber and healthy fat keep blood sugar rock steady, so memory stays sharp all day. Now meet number 3, Brazil nuts, the single most powerful brain protector on Earth, but only if you eat the right amount. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day flood your body with selenium, the mineral most doctors never check. Selenium is the backbone of glutathione peroxidase, your brain's most potent antioxidant enzyme. Low selenium is linked to faster cognitive decline, depression, and even higher risk of Parkinson's. A 2022 Dutch study gave seniors with mild cognitive impairment 2 Brazil nuts daily for 6 months. Their memory scores improved so dramatically that 41% no longer met the criteria for MCI. Their brains literally got younger on scans. Brazil nuts also contain ellagic acid and gallic acid, 2 polyphenols that reduce amyloid plaque buildup, the sticky protein blamed for Alzheimer's. But here's the critical warning: never eat more than 4 Brazil nuts in a day. Too much selenium becomes toxic. 1 to 2 is perfect. Think of them as nature's tiny selenium pills, wrapped in delicious fat. Let's go deeper on exactly how these 3 nuts rebuild and protect your brain when almost every medication fails. As you age, 4 invisible enemies attack your mind. First, chronic neuroinflammation quietly damages neurons every single day. Walnuts, almonds, and Brazil nuts are loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds that cool that fire. Second, free radicals bombard brain cells, causing oxidative stress. The vitamin E in almonds and selenium in Brazil nuts neutralize those radicals faster than any supplement. Third, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, the miracle grow for your brain, drops with age. The omega-3s in walnuts raise BDNF levels naturally, growing new brain connections even in your 80s and 90s. Fourth, toxic heavy metals like mercury and aluminum slowly accumulate in brain tissue. Selenium from Brazil nuts binds to mercury and safely escorts it out. No drug on the market hits all 4 threats at once. These nuts do. Here's the dead simple daily protocol that thousands of sharp-minded seniors follow right now. Every single day, eat exactly this combination. Morning 14 walnut halves with breakfast, oatmeal, yogurt, or straight from the shell. Afternoon, 23 raw almonds as your snack. Count them, it's exactly 1 ounce. Evening, 1 or 2 Brazil nuts after dinner. That's it. No fancy recipes, no expensive powders. Just 3 handfuls of nuts protecting your mind 24/7. The research keeps pouring in. A 2024 Spanish study tracked 4,000 adults over 65 for 8 years. The ones eating at least 3 ounces of mixed nuts weekly had brains that appeared 11 years younger on MRI scans. Their hippocampus, the memory center, actually grew in size. Another Australian study found seniors who ate nuts daily cut their risk of dementia by 42% compared to non-nut eaters. Even mild cognitive impairment reversed in many cases. Real stories pour in every week. Dorothy, 79, couldn't remember her bridge partners' names and had stopped playing. After 4 months on this exact nut protocol, she's back winning tournaments and teaching her great-grandchildren the game. Robert, 84, a retired professor, said his word-finding difficulty vanished so completely he started writing his memoirs again after a 10-year hiatus. He told me, "I thought my mind was gone forever. These nuts gave me my life back." If you want proof in your own life, take the 30-day Sharp Mind Challenge. For the next 30 days, eat the exact protocol above every single day. No skipping. Keep a simple daily journal. Rate your memory, focus, and mood from 1 to 10. Photograph the page every day if you want proof. I've seen hundreds of journals. By day 10, most people jump 2 to 3 points. By day 30, many are up 5 to 7 points and swearing they think better than they did a decade ago. Start tonight. Put a small bowl on your kitchen counter right now. Fill it with 14 walnut halves, 23 almonds, and 2 Brazil nuts. Make it your new ritual. Your brain is not doomed to shrink and fade. It's begging for the raw materials only real food can provide. Feed it these 3 nuts every day and watch it thank you with clarity, quick thinking, and memories that stick for the rest of your life. Your mind is your greatest treasure. Protect it with the food nature designed specifically for the job. One handful at a time, you can stay sharp, witty, and fully yourself until the very end.